Welcome to a minute of space exploration truth. Have you ever wondered how many astronauts have died in space? The answer is 3. In 1971, Soviet astronauts Georgy Dobrovolsky, Viktor Patsayev, and Vladislav Volkov tragically lost their lives during re-entry on Soyuz 11. Now about that eerie knocking on the capsule from outside. It's not as sinister as it sounds. It's usually just thermal expansion and contraction. As the spacecraft moves from sunlight into shadow, the temperature changes rapidly, causing the metal to expand or contract. This can often sound like knocking or pinging. Remember, space is a vast and fascinating frontier, full of mysteries and marvels. We're just beginning to understand it. Stay curious, space explorers.